Hi, I'm Ben. Welcome to my channel. So, I'm really frustrated. This is probably the third or fourth intro that I have recorded since my last video, because thinking I was going to take on a new project, and then each time I've run into problems with the project. One time I left it in the acid too long and it wore away parts that it probably shouldn't have. Another one, a part broke that I can't replace, and besides it was such a junky tool anyway, it doesn't really matter. But see, that's the thing. What I've been doing is I've been going through these piles of extremely rusty tools, and inevitably you're going to have frustration there, because not everything is going to be a win. So I think what I need to do is I need to back up a little bit and start working on projects that are a little more attainable. I really live for the before and after at the end. I like videos that have that at the end, because it feels like, hey, it sucked and now it doesn't. So anyway, with that being said, let's try another one. This is some hedge. These are some hedge clippers that have been in my family a long time. But in any case, this handle here is a little loosey-goosey, and I don't know if I can fix that. Man, I hope I can fix it, because I don't want to throw away another video. But I think I'm just going to try to clean these up a little bit, and the handles, kind of refresh the handles, and let's see what we can do with it. Well, that's it, I think. These hedge clippers have some sentimental value. The more I think about it, the more I think these were my grandfather's, because I don't know if you noticed in the video these little groove things that are in the handle. That was something my grandfather always did. He would mark all his tools with the grinder. He'd stick like 3 marks in them, and I guess that way he could say they were his. So when I was 16-ish, I went and lived with him when Grandma died. And, of course, I immediately started doing that to all my tools. That way I could claim, one day when he died, I could claim his tools were mine. Oh, no, look, see the 3 grooves? Those are mine. So, yeah, I was a great kid. But anyway, so this thing holds some sentimental value for me. It looks a lot darker here because I put the shellac on it, but I don't care. The shellac, I didn't want it to rust right away. Looks a lot better than it did, and they cut good before. They'll probably continue to cut good, so I'm not worried about that. I might have done a few things different, but anyway, we're finished. See you next time. Thanks.